Hey everybody, this is Mrs. Rogers. This is a quick video to show you how to use the shapes and lines option here in Google Slides for your homework this week. Now I'm going to go ahead and just take a look at the very first problem right here. The directions will tell you to do something different, but I'm just going to show you what it would look like if I was to take this number right here, -8, and how I would put it on a number line. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take it in the shapes here. I'm going to go to shapes and I'm going to make a circle. Just a tiny little circle kind of like this. And you can fill this with whatever color you want. Color options are right over here. I'm just going to go ahead and make this one a nice red color. And I'm going to drag this over to where a -8 would be, which in this case would be about there. Now, if I want to draw a line, say this was an inequality and I need to draw a line for it, what I would do is I would first click out so that this is not popping up with the blue squares. Otherwise, that might mess up your lines a little bit. So I would just click anywhere so that you're not highlighting anything. Then I would go up next to the shapes box. There's a line box. I would click that, and you can do a line, you can do an arrow. I think an arrow honestly would be really good for this inequality stuff. So I'm actually going to take my arrow that I'm going to make. I'm going to start right here. And it's just going to plop it anywhere. I can move this arrow using this little plus sign to anywhere I want. So if I want to go this way, then it can do that. If I want to move it the other way, I can do that. Right here, these two options are going to pop up. With the line start, it can actually change. So instead of being just a line, you can move it to be different things. I would recommend leaving it here. But right here, you can change this as well. And this, you can do it with whatever. But yeah, that's how you use the line and circle option. Make sure when you guys are doing these problems that you look at what the book tells you to do as well so you don't miss any points on that. Hope this helps. See you guys later.